Hi, hello, hi everyone.
Hey, who are you? Who allowed you to come here?
I am Addition and I will prove that I am very useful to you. I can increase the value, so please don't try to avoid me.
But how can you do this?
Take the number 3 and 2 when you add these two numbers, your value is 5.
Oh wow! This edition we can make so many new numbers. I am so happy. But can you tell me how can I decrease my value?
I can decrease your value.
Show me.
Take the number 3 and 2. If I come between the number 3 and 2, then your value will be 1.
Oh, so cool.
Repeated addition, repeated addition, repeated addition.
Hey, who are you? What do you mean by this?
And multiplication, I have double the chances. When you want to add a number again and again, I can make the calculation very easier. And when you want to call me a shortcut and then and enter. I am the interpreter of multiplication. Here you go. One more operation. Do you want to make?
Yeah, I am so excited.
Hi, hello. Hi everyone, I am division. When you want to share equally, I work into my calculation easier. Friends, you can call me a share also.
Oh wow, so many operations to deal with. I am so happy. Now let's play with the numbers.
Let's play, let's play, let's play, let's play, let's play.
Okay, stop. So many operations to deal with. What's the problem?
Don't worry dear, in order we can play with the numbers. Wait, I will explain you. Can say an order dear?
An order?
Yes, you can play with us according to a sequence like O for O, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction.
Oh, odd mass.
Hello, I am Bracket. My role is to catch all the operations and kept in a box. Let's finish this bracket, otherwise it will not allow us to play. Attack.
So dear friends, always remember whenever we have a bracket, our aim is to finish it first, then we can play according to the sequence.
Yes, you mean here our new sequence is B for bracket, O for O, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction.
So dear friends, math is all about numbers, formulas, operations, orders are called physical universe. Math is not just for watching. We should learn and try to frame simple things into complicated and complicated to simple things. The above math and mathematical operation teaches us that every problem has a solution. I repeat, every problem has a solution.